What is up, guys? Welcome back to part 2 of building the CSX 911, and happy 4th of July. So let's get straight into this. So first of all, we're building the body now. So just bring your red concrete all the way along the engine, just like this for now. Alright. Now do the same with your stripe of white, of quartz block even. You can do it in quartz or white concrete, it's your choice. It's just like that. Alright. So now we're going to work on the detailing right here, but first of all, let's just layer this up a bit. So bring all this forward by 2, and then punch out these 2 blocks. Those are my vents. And then just cover that up in your red carpet again. Alright. So now what we're going to do, punch out these 2 blocks. Actually no, not those. Sorry guys. Punch out these 2 blocks, these 2, and these 2. In the first 2, it's going to be red concrete powder. Second 2, it's going to be gray concrete powder. And in the third one, it's going to be blue concrete powder. And then on top of that is just a row of 4 upside down quartz stair. This is the part where it says the CSX boxcar logo scheme. This is just how I did the logo. Alright. I'm going to just bring it along by 2 red concrete. Alright. Now just layer this up right here. Leave this block untouched. Just like that. Now bring this forward by 1. And then bedrock. And then cover that up. So get your red carpet, just like this. Alright, pretty simple, pretty simple. Good to know. Alright, so now with this stripe, break all this because we don't need it. And I'm not sure why I built it. So what we're going to do, place 2 quartz stairs facing like that. And then 2 upside down quartz stairs. Just like this. Now, on this one, place 2 more uprights, so you should have like this, and then 2 quartz blocks, just like this. So you should have that, and then just bring it along by 2. So just like that. Alright, so now we're going to work on this section right here where it dips down. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fill in these, skip this block, and skip this block. Alright, then just fill it in down there, and then a backwards nether brick stair like that, because there's this little exhaust vent right here on the GVOs. And then dark oak fence gate as the horn, just right there. Alright, so now let's work on this section of the vents right here. So punch out these, just punch out all this right here, so that you have 1 block back here. So you should have this little V shape right here at the back. Okay? What you're going to do, grab your bedrock, just completely line this up, just like this, and then up 1, skip it, up 1, skip it, up 1. So you should have it just like this. Not like that. I'm breaking stuff. Just like this. Alright. And then just completely fill all this in with your red concrete. Just like this. Alright. So with this back block, just break it, replace it with a block of quartz. It says CSX right there. Now we're going to work on the main vents right here. Alright. So first of all, just slide in here, fill in all these little holes so that you can't see inside of the unit in these little like crevices and stuff. Alright. So now, bring this back by 2, just like this. So you should have a 2 by 3 block right here. And then bring it back another 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Fill it in for now. And then punch out the 4 middle ones, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and replace it with bedrock, just like that. Okay, and just surround that in carpet. simple as this. Alright. Now you can just fill this line in right here with white concrete as well. Not white concrete, quartz block even. Sorry about that, guys. Okay. So work on the back quickly. Place 2 upside down quartz stairs right here and right here. Just like that. And now grab your quartz slab, place it like that. And then we're going to place 1, 2, 6. Alright, so 6 upside down quartz stairs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6. I'm not okay today. and then a quartz quartz slab. Then up here, 1 red nether brick stair, 3 quartz stairs, and then the rest, and then 3 quartz slabs, and then a red nether brick slab. So just like that. And right here, it's just a row like that, and then a row like this on the other side as well. Okay? And then just fill this in. It's gonna be 1 red concrete, then 2 bedrock, and then another red concrete. So basically just do this, but on this side, and I did not mean to break that. So boom, 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 and then just like this. Wrong color. This tutorial is definitely one of my more confusing ones, but that's seeming to be how most of these tutorials are being lately. Alright, so you should have this. Alright. So now we're going to work on this. Up here, there's a little flag up here. And what me and Conrail have come up with is to break these 3 blocks. So you're going to have a quartz stair right there, then a prismarine brick stair right there, and then a red concrete in the middle. Just like that. That's how we've designed the flag, because we could not find any other way to do it. Alright, and that's the main unit done. Now we've got to add the finishing details. So you're going to grab a iron pressure plate, your birch sign, white stained glass, your item frame, which is somewhere here, item frames, your birch fence, iron bar, tripwire hook, red nether, or just nether brick slab, and stone button. I'm not sure why I tried to say iron button. It's just your stone buttons right there, then your nether brick slab and tripwire hooks right there for the couplers. Then just make your what you call it, handrails. That's it. Sorry guys. And then there's a headlight up here, and then the 2 signs for the numbers, just like that. Now come to the top of the unit, 2 iron pressure plates, just like that. Now let's do the handrails. So it's going to be 1 birch, and then the rest is iron bar. So we should be there, I believe. Yep, that's right. Well, and also grab a quartz stair, and that's just going to go on this block right there. Okay. So now just do it on this side as well. So right there. Line it up on there. And then just bring it back. So just like that. Now grab yourself some white carpet and some string. Just place string in between all of the iron bars, just like this. And then just line it in the white carpet. Just like that. Right here as well. Just like this. And then just like this. And that is it, guys. That is how to build CSX 911, the honoring our first responders unit. Hope all of you have enjoyed this tutorial. Next tutorial will either be the Union Pacific Heritage units or CSX 1776. I have not decided yet. But anyways, guys, until those tutorials come out, this is Highbreaker 11 signing off. See you later, guys, and goodbye.